Hello guys, breaking news updates. Australian actress Maxine Gates dies suddenly and unexpectedly aged 58. Much loved star was prisoner unknown for roles in Prisoner and Neighbours. Her roles in popular television shows Prisoners and Neighbours. Australian star actress much well-known actress Maxine Gates dies suddenly. Friends, breaking news prevail. Star was known for roles in Prisoners and Neighborhood. Breaking news, friends. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you, friends. Bundle up.